Shots.
Why? Fine, I'll cut out. Eat.
Yeah, I want to ask you this. Why
Why is it worked up over a chicken?
Someone's recording.
Why is Sunboy naked?
Hold on.
Hey, Marky,
This is like the whole server against one dude. This ain't even.
Marky, look at me. Marky, look at me.
I just joined today and I'm already gonna destroy Julien's face.
hammer on
Yeah.
I'm itching, dog. I'm itching.
Are we ready to light this bitch up?
When the beat drops.
It's like 45 seconds in.
Stop killing me! Please, Jesus. Here.
Alright, done.
Alright. Light this bitch up!
Hey Julien, I tried to make you look bad, but you got me walking around looking all mad. Oh, about this Minecraft situation, you got me in this weird position. I ain't like that, you got me looking like a press. Let me tell you something. Yeah, I ain't even know I'm from an ass time.
God damn it.
Look like a lot of ham.
he
Posting on Instagram like bro, your sisters.
I gotta get XP now. Yeah.
If you don't, brush your teeth and I criticize.
How the fuck am I supposed to get back there?
Come on, bro.
Oh, yeah,
Use no redstone.
Just trust me, please don't disagree. You ain't as bad as I thought, but I caught you laughing from my house.
This song is so fucking good, holy shit. For real.
Yes, I fucking died because Hudson killed me for no reason.
No, Hudson didn't, I did, bitch.
Yeah.
Said Hudson did.
Yeah.
Don't let him take it.
Oh, man. This is
Wait,
crazy.
we forgot about his fishing farm.
Nerd alert!
A diamond chest in here.
Diamond chest!
Holy!
Holy mackerel!
Yo, where?
No, there is literally no.
I got the nerd alert!
Whoa, that was a big
Big Claus, you look like Santa Claus with that dumb hair. Learning this shit!
You was living with dark.
Yo, guys, let's
You have an extreme
Holy shit, it's all done!
What you gonna do about it? You ain't nothing. Come on, bro. What do you want? I'll crack your cheeks and I ain't
Talking about Minecraft.
Yeah, I'm really stressed today. Just
Deal with it, bro.
That,
Bro, he has like a Sunboy face.
dude, that almost gone in an instant! Dude, that shit is crazy.
I feel low-key bad.
I don't. He killed my cat.
That's true.
For real.
Even though I gave
Oh
him
my
permission.
god. Everything is destroyed, bro.
Go, Dylan, send me that video.
What?
Alright.
What the fuck?